Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2025 GMC Terrain? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The 2025 GMC Terrain's dashboard has a big touchscreen, digital gauges, and premium materials. Contemporary features like wireless connectivity, customizable displays, and driver assist capabilities make it user-friendly. The digital cluster combines premium clarity, user-configurable layouts, and intelligent driver aids in a sophisticated interface. The 2025 GMC Terrain features a high-resolution LCD instrument cluster with customizable displays. It offers advanced dual-zone automatic climate control with an intuitive touchscreen for optimal comfort. The turbocharged power and refined efficiency of engine define the driving experience. It features a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with intuitive controls and pure styling. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators, driver seat belt reminder, front passenger seat belt reminder, second and third row passenger seat belt reminder, airbag readiness light, passenger airbag status, charging system light, malfunction indicator lamp, brake system warning, electric parking brake, service electric parking brake, anti-lock brake system, all-wheel drive light, front-wheel drive light, hill descent control light, lane keep assist light, automatic emergency braking, vehicle ahead indicator, pedestrian ahead indicator, traction off light, electronic stability control light, electronic stability control off, engine coolant temperature warning, sport mode, snow or ice mode, terrain mode, off-road mode, tire pressure light, engine oil pressure light, low fuel warning, auto stop indicator, security light, high beam on light, IntelliBeam light, front fog lamp light, lamps on reminder, cruise control light, super cruise light, driver attention assist light, door ajar light, adaptive cruise control light. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.